In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos to Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a picture from your computer and place it safely in your Drive so you can access it anywhere. First, log into Google Drive. Open your web browser, head to drive.google.com, and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're connected to the internet and that you know your login details ahead of time. For security, never share them in a recording or with anyone you don't trust. Once you're signed in, you're ready for the upload. Next, go to your Drive. You should see the main area called My Drive, along with any folders or files you already have. If you don't see your items, look for the My Drive label on the left sidebar and click it to bring up your main storage space. This is where your photo will be saved. Now right-click inside the main area. It's best to right-click on a blank spot to avoid selecting an existing file. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually acts as a right-click. If something is highlighted, just click once on empty space to clear the selection before opening the menu. From the menu that appears, click on File Upload. This tells Drive you want to add a file from your computer rather than creating a new document or folder. As soon as you choose File Upload, your computer's file chooser will pop up. Select the image you want to upload. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the picture is saved, click the photo you need, and then choose Open. Common formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly. After you confirm, watch the upload status in the lower corner of Drive. Keep the tab open and don't close your browser until the upload finishes, especially if the image is large or your connection is slow. When the upload completes, your photo will appear in My Drive with a small confirmation message. You can spot it by the file name and a thumbnail preview. That's it. The image is now stored in the cloud and available from any device where you're signed in. If storage is tight, consider cleaning up old files before you start, and for faster uploads, try to use a stable Wi-Fi connection. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to upload photos to Google Drive quickly and confidently.